Good morning. Myself is Manoj Sharma. I'm a Director Marketing and Sales Excellence for Hexagon India region. Hexagon is a major IT company who works in software, sensors, and automation solutions. So when we talk about Hexagon specific, we are moving from automation to autonomy. So future print, we are talking about Excel framework, which is a game changer for the solution market. So when we talk about Excel framework, we are talking about AI, we are talking about edge computer, we are talking about mobility. So when we as a Hexagon, we work on our data to boost our efficiency across industrial and geospatial domain. So when we talk about earth to space, air to water, agriculture to mining, Hexagon solution work across this solution. So our technology work to boost our efficiency in urban and industrial domain, to work towards autonomous future, to have a sustainability and a safety. So as a Hexagon is more of that, how can we make a life easier for customers or the users. So we believe in Hexagon that the customer user experience is most important for us. So that's we are working across all the domains. As of today, when we are here on GeoSmart, today we are talking about we are working on smart cities, where we want to make our cities safe and productive for the user to have a good lifestyle, high efficient lifestyle. When we talk about smart industries, then we talk about productivity. Smart manufacturing, we talk about how to make the efficiencies the most. Then we talk about smart building and construction, that how can we make our customers more control on the OPEX so they can control their OPEX when they're working on a smart building construction work. Then we talk about smart mining, where we're talking about the safety and the productivity. So it's very important when we talk about Hexagon. So we cut across the solution when it's a question of earth to space, water to air, agriculture to mining. So our solution is cutting across to make the efficiency and the life easier for the customers. That's how Hexagon is working across the domain.
What are you showing? Like, what products are you showing?
So as on today, we're talking about how Hexagon is can be a contributor or can be a energy to make the things change for the country. We're talking about we have a space where we go smart cities, because the way things are moving, most of India is the second largest population worldwide, and how we can make the cities safe for the people and how it can be more productive. So we are showing that how the smart cities can work for us. Then we have smart water, because I think so the next what is going to be the most important thing for any globally is the water. So we can say how we can contribute to how can we work on a smart water contribution. Then we have a lot of places when how can we make our using with sensors, how we can get that data, and we have the software how the data can be processed. So overall, if you talk about Hexagon, we are the bottom level where we're talking about sensors, then we have the software processing. So it's a one bundle solution for anybody who's on a GIS application.
So what trending technologies you're using for this?
So we see what we are talking about. We are, as a Hexagon, we believe in that wherever the customer is, that we should work on open protocol. So we have Xalt, which is very strong software for us, which can be open protocol, where the customer has a flexibility, because we don't want that any customer has a binding way to when you work with anybody. So we give that flexibility to the customer, that is open protocol. They can merge, or they can talk to this software with any sensor, anything.
Thank you so much.
Hi there, this is Jyoti Swargam, part of Hexagon, trying to actually give you a quick demo of the BLK2GO scanner. This is the world's lightest lasers handheld scanner, where you could actually, with a single push of a button, start scanning. You would capture both the 3D and the 2D point cloud and start viewing it on an iOS app. So you have the iOS phone, so you can start seeing the point cloud here. And as well, you could do a 3D. So you would see a 3D point cloud too. So it's a on-the-fly, on-the-go handheld imaging scanner. So it basically is mainly used for any incident mapping or any of the bomb epicenter that you want to actually capture and come back to a forensic analysis, or you want to actually capture everything that is out there in the reality and come back to it at a later point. That's the way to go. So this is BLK2GO scanner, which has a range of about 20 meters, and it comes with 3 panoramic cameras, which actually gives you a panorama of images and also a high resolution scan image camera here. And then you have a LiDAR scanner, which is both on dual axis. One is horizontal plane and as well as a vertical plane. So there you have it. It comes with 4 batteries, so you can continuously keep changing the battery and then go with it. So as you walk in, you get your reality capture done. Thank you.